Ready to grow your own food and resources in Minecraft? Learn how to start farming, plant crops, and create a sustainable food source to keep your adventure going. First, you want to find a place that has enough dirt or grass blocks for your farm. Then, you want to dig one block down and place a bucket of water for your plants. Before you start planting, you will need something to till the dirt. For this, place down a crafting table. You'll need 2 sticks and any 2 of the ores shown on screen. Place them as shown on the screen to get a hoe. Once you have it, find a block near your water and right-click to till it. You can till up to 5 blocks away from your water source. And once that's done, you want to plant your crop. The most common kind is wheat seeds, but there's other ones too. They're up on the screen as well. The process for all of these crops are more or less the same. And once you've planted the seeds, you've got to wait for them to grow up. If you want to speed up the process, you can do so by right-clicking on them with a bunch of bonemeal. And after they've grown, you can harvest them using, anything, to be honest. In some cases like wheat, you'll need to craft the crop into food. In case like potato, you'll need to put it in a furnace. Beetroot, you'll need to craft soup. You can find any of those recipes online easily. But that's it. That's how you start farming in Minecraft. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.